In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. QuickBooks Online is a powerful cloud-based accounting software that helps businesses manage their finances effortlessly. Whether you're a small business owner or an accountant, getting started with QuickBooks Online is straightforward, and I'll guide you through every step of the way. So let's not waste any time and dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head over to the QuickBooks Online website. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the homepage layout. It's always good to have a basic understanding of the interface before getting started. On the top right corner, you'll notice a sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the login window where you'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Make sure you have your login credentials handy to ensure a smooth process. Once you've typed in your email and the password associated with your QuickBooks account, double check to make sure there are no typos. It's a common mistake that can easily be avoided. Now click on the Sign In button. This will authenticate your login details and direct you to your QuickBooks Online homepage. Now that you've successfully signed in, your next step is to locate the Subscribe Now option. On your homepage, this button is conveniently placed at the top of the page, making it easy to spot. Once you find it, click on Subscribe Now to start the purchasing process. This link will navigate you to the subscription page where you'll see various plans and options catered to different business needs. It's important to review these plans thoroughly and select one that aligns with your specific financial requirements and budget. After selecting a plan that suits your business, the next crucial step is to enter your payment information. On the subscription page, you'll be prompted to fill out your credit or debit card details. Ensure that you enter the correct information and verify that your card is valid and has not expired. This is crucial to avoid any disruptions in the subscription process. Additionally, it's a great idea to review the billing details for accuracy, such as cardholder name, expiration date, and security code before proceeding. Now, with your payment information securely entered, you are ready to proceed with the purchase. Click on the Subscribe button to confirm your subscription to the selected QuickBooks plan. Upon clicking, the system will process your payment, and in a matter of moments, you'll receive a confirmation of your successful subscription. This confirmation signifies that you are now officially a part of the QuickBooks Online community and can take full advantage of the tools and resources it offers for managing your business finances efficiently. Congratulations! You've now completed your purchase of QuickBooks Online. With your new account, you have unlocked a plethora of features designed to streamline and enhance the financial operations of your business. Right from tracking expenses, generating invoices, managing payroll to running insightful reports, QuickBooks Online offers a comprehensive suite of services that are now at your disposal. If this is your first time using QuickBooks, don't hesitate to explore the available tutorials and guides to help you acclimate to the features and maximize your new software's capabilities. Remember, accounting software is a powerful ally in managing your business finances, and mastering its functionalities can deliver significant benefits. Maintain a consistent routine in updating your financial records and utilizing the reports and insights provided by QuickBooks Online to make informed business decisions. With this guide, you've taken the initial step to integrate one of the most comprehensive accounting solutions into your business. By completing this simple purchase process, you are on your path to optimizing your financial management with QuickBooks. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out for support or additional resources available on the QuickBooks website. Enjoy your QuickBooks Online experience and make the most out of its features to take your business to new heights.